It's raining here in Southern Leyte. Sinunangan. Good morning. Look guys. My mom right there is buying a bread. We went from the market. We bought some dried fish, vegetables, and this is how it's looking right now. And my mom. And egg. Sige lang. Ayos mo. Okay, nag-vlog pa dito. Sige lang. Asa naman ta? So I'm there guys. Look. I'm wearing a, how do you call this? Raincoat. Because it's still raining. Sinunangan Southern Leyte. Bye-bye. Nanghunong.
Hindi, naman.
Lagi.
Dito.
Asa naman ta?
Bakot.
Lakon. This is the main road of Hinunangan guys. Poblacion. Southern Leyte. This is the weather update in Hinunangan. It's gloomy and it's raining. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.